Hey guys, this is Anindya and welcome to the second tutorial of XHTML and CSS. So in the last tutorial we made this a very basic website which look like this. This is actually a very basic website, actually a dumb exercise you can say that. This is a very dumb exercise that I have seen in my life. So let's make it more proper. So in this website we are going to be depth in a body. So in a body there is a headers. So when you guys read a newspapers, so the bold characters that you may see in the newspaper uh, are actually headers that you may call it headlines as well. These are basically headers in the website, and below these headers there are a bunch of paragraphs or the content about these headlines. So let's make the header. So for making a header tag, obviously a less than sign, h, and a greater than sign. So by default in an XHTML, the header comes with 6 different sizes: h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. So h1 will be the biggest bold character, or h6 will be the smallest one. So let's make the h1. One more thing guys, don't be confused in the header or the head. Once again I tell you guys, the head are the something that may contain the website information, that it contains all the information that your browser need, that may be pop up on your website or maybe not. But the headers, these headers are bold character that obviously pop up on your website, that describes the content, that the main headlines of your website. So let's make a header. We make the open header tag and let's close it. So for the closing we need a less than sign, forward slash, h1, and a greater than sign. So let's make a header. So let me type this is the best website ever seen. Okay, cool. So this is the best website ever seen is going to be your header. As I use the h1, therefore it going to be shown a biggest size by the default. So let's save this and let's check this, reload this, and boom, here we got this. This is the best website ever seen with the biggest size by default. So let's check it with the h6. Okay, cool. Let's save this and reload this. Oh, boom. So this is the smallest, this is a very smallest headline. This is the best website ever seen. Okay, so after the headers you need a paragraph. So for the paragraphs, obviously you need a paragraph tags. So first of all, let's array these body tags, these body content. So let's make the paragraph tags. So paragraph tags, for the paragraph tags, less than p and greater than sign, couple of spaces, less than, forward slash p, and a greater than sign. So in the paragraph you obviously need a paragraph. So this is the paragraph. Okay, so let's copy this to save some time. Copy. Okay, so this is actually a paragraph. So let's save this and see, boom. Okay, let's make it more bigger. Actually, let's make it h1. Excuse me. Okay, so boom, here is a header and here is the paragraph. Let's make 2 different paragraphs. Okay, so for the 2 different paragraphs, obviously we need 2 different paragraph tags. So let's make it. Okay, so in this paragraph tag, this is the paragraph second. Okay, so let's copy this to save some time. Oh, what I did. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, let's save this and reload. Okay, boom. So this is the first paragraph, this is the second paragraph, and this is the header. Let's make it more defined. Let's make every paragraph have the individual headers. So let's copy this to save some time. Copy this and see. Let's change the size. Let's make it h2. Okay, save. Let's make it one more. So let's copy this, paste. Okay, so let's get a tree. What the heck is on? Okay, and paragraph will be third. Okay, let's get this third. Okay, so let's save this. Okay, and see what will happen. Oh, boom. So here is the first header tag, the first paragraph, then the second header and the second para, then the and the third header and the third paragraph. Okay, so we are almost okay. Cool. So let's cover this next topic. Let me check how much time I'm left with. Okay, actually we are short of time, so let's end this tutorial here. So that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial I'm going to tell you guys the line breaker in the paragraph. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe.